Hello everyone, welcome back to Femica. We hope you all are doing great. Have you guys ever wondered how that celebrities and influencers achieve that no makeup look? It looks so natural yet so flawless at the same time. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to achieve that no makeup look and be your dazzling self with this easy peasy tutorial. Trust me lovelies, it is not that difficult, so let's get started. First thing first, whatever makeup look you are doing, you have to follow these 3 steps, that is CTM, cleanser, toner, moisturize. I have already cleansed my face. I'm gonna start with the toner. Then a moisturizer. You need to moisturize your lips as well. For makeup, I'm going to start with an eyebrow pencil and I'm going to fill them very naturally. I feel like many people underestimate the power of good eyebrows. Trust me, eyebrow can change your whole makeup look. First step eyebrow ho gaya. Second step is to use a concealer to hide my dark circles and acne scars, basically to achieve that flawless base. I'm going to use a very little amount. Also, I'm not going to use a foundation because this is a full coverage concealer. It will hide all the darkness and acne scars. To blend it, I'm going to use a beauty blender. Don't drag, always dab, dab, dab. Once my concealer is all blended, I'm going to go ahead with the liquid blush. And for the liquid blush, I'm going to use the brush. Look at the shade, it looks so pretty yet so natural. I'm going to apply the same tint on my lips as well. Look at how natural this looks. Now I'm going to use a highlighter, but this one is a liquid highlighter. This will add a very natural glow to your face. Adding a little bit, basically starting with less, and if I'll feel कि मेरे को और चाहिए, I'll add more. But always start with less. Look at that. I'm going to use a blender to make sure that everything is blended and looks flawless. Now let's use a loose powder to set our face. Set your under eyes really nicely so that the concealer does not move. Now for eyes, I'm going to use a brown shade on my crease, basically to give some definition, and then I'm going to apply 2 coats of mascara. I am not applying too much, and also I am blending it very softly so that I don't see any harsh lines. And that is all we need to achieve that no makeup look. So guys, here we come at the end of the video. We hope you liked it. For clean, safe and natural beauty products, shop at Femica. Do check out the description box. All the products are mentioned down below. Join the community and welcome yourself in the clean, safe and organic beauty by connecting with the social media platforms. That's it for this video. Signing off with lots of love until we meet in our next video. Take care. Bye bye.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit Femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.